today is January 25th, and this is my husband's Meijer haul from today. He went out and did this all by himself. He used the Catalinas that we got a couple days ago from the Chex Mix deal that I shared with you guys. We had $42 worth of those left. So he got pretty much $60 worth of stuff, and he only paid $4.51 out of pocket. There was $42 savings from the Catalinas. It says total non-coupon savings today, $9.16. And total Meijer promotions today, $5.29. So the savings grand total for today of $56.45. So about $60 worth of stuff there for $5, for not even $5. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. That's the only reason I went ahead and bought all those Chex Mix, so we can give some of them to our friends, and we'll be stocked up on those for a little while. Because we were going to spend money on our groceries anyway, so I would have been crazy not to do that. And I hope that some of you guys were able to go out and get those that day also. It was on Sunday only for that, so I did share the video that day. I hope that you guys had time to go get yours. I know not a lot of you guys have Meijers, though. I wish more of you did. But today was a pretty good haul. And plus, we got all of the Chex Mix out of the deal, so you can't beat that. Well, thank you guys for joining. Have a good evening. Happy couponing.